Hey Kelly, this is Sisco from Amplified. I spoke with Allison earlier this morning and I promised I would send out a website audit, so I'm going to jump right to it. So Kelly, looking at your website, just skimming through it, some of the things that I look for is content. You have 1,500 words to 2,000 words of content, and the reason why you need that is you need that amount to be optimized with Google. And right now I don't see that. I saw the video, love the video. Here's the thing. You can even, content in general means videos, photos. You want to have keywords. You want those optimized with meta tags and meta descriptions. Now, a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. Like I mentioned, you want to have those keywords within your website because you want to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. If you're a plumber in Pensacola, Florida, you want to have keywords that have those. For example, Pensacola, Florida, you want to have those. Now, let's look how well your website's performing. So this is a tool called Ahrefs. I use this tool because it helps me understand how strong your website's performing. So let's just jump right to it. So one, this is your score. You're being indexed at 23 for your strength and authority. This is your trustworthy or trust score, 4.5. You want to have a golden ratio of 30 and above for each section and have them really close to each other. That's the golden ratio. Now, this section here, this is your backlinks. You currently have 324 backlinks with 47 referring domains. And a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. So these links act like an endorsement for your website, and it helps build trust with Google, and they will vouch for you and rank your site higher. It's literally like a popularity contest. However, not all backlinks are created equal, so it's worth noting that you want to get backlinks that are relevant in your industry. You're in HVAC, right? Heating, air conditioning, and plumbing services. You want to be able to get backlinks that are in this industry. If you were to get a backlink, like let's say from Pizza Hut, it could actually hinder these scores, which could be happening here, right? I'm not saying it's from Pizza Hut, but there could be some links here that are not in your industry. Last thing I want to go over in Ahrefs is your keywords. So this is important because what I'm looking for is, do you have buyer intent keywords? And what those are, well, let's see. I'm just going to scroll down. I'm looking for your, like, the services you offer plus the city name. Those are buyer intent keywords because you're most likely going to get customers in your area looking for your services when they're browsing the web. So I don't see any right now. These are all what we call national keywords, but you want to be ranking for local keywords. So let's just jump over to one of your competitors, Express Air Conditioning. I look for those keywords, okay? Remember that. And 1,500 to 2,000 keywords. Or, sorry, yeah, total words. So I see some, but not many. But let's see what they're ranking for. What keywords they're ranking for, okay? So look, this is what I look for. AC repair, Pensacola. The volume is 250 people search Google every single month. And this is just for this keyword. You want to be ranking for more, like for example here, air conditioning repair, 80. Air conditioning repair, Pensacola, 250 once again. So let's just take this keyword and insert it into Google. And here it is. So let's take it section by section. So one, this is the Google Guarantee section or the Google Ads section. People are paying to be on here. So every time you click on this, they're going to get charged. Now here, this is my favorite. This is the Google My Business page. The reason is why it's my favorite is because 30 to 40% of calls come from this Google My Business page. Some of the ways to increase your rankings here is getting more reviews and responding to those reviews, updating your GMB with photos that are optimized, and updating your clients and just updating your Google My Business page with new, whether it's equipment you got or new services you offer, anything like that. That's what you want to do, and it helps increase your GMB rankings. And the last thing is, these are the organic listings. So people that are just organically ranking, folks that are doing very well, once again, on their SEO work, like here, right? Look at position number 2. They're being ranked for that. This is why they're showing up here. They're number 2. So just to give you an idea as far as how it works when it comes to being ranked on Google. Anyhow, thank you so much for your time and for taking the time to listen to this video. Please, Kelly, let me know if you have any questions. If you want to learn more on how to implement these strategies, please email me back. We can talk about those things. And also, if you could provide some feedback, we'll love your feedback on what you thought about the video. And once again, Kelly, thank you for your time, and we'll talk to you soon.